the other part that business owners really need to be considering is how to actually learn how to do forecasts properly. Because I think, look, it's probably an exception to the rule that most don't have a budget. And if they do, it's usually a static budget that's like, okay, I want to make $1 million for the year. So that means that every single month I need to make 83,000. And it's unrealistic to think that you're going to get 83,000 every month. So therefore, we need to ensure that we adjust it. And for many of our clients, it's about running a 10 or potentially even an 11-month year, assuming that there's going to be a couple of months that are going to be write-offs. And then we need to make up the difference in the rest.
Exactly. And I think a lot of it comes down to understanding the difference between cash flow and profit. I think 9 times out of 10, maybe 10 out of 10, every time we do our annual general meetings with clients, the number one question is, oh, you're telling me that I've got this much in profit, yet the cash isn't in my bank account. You've probably come across this as well, Jackson. And I think it's something that if you have a firm grasp on the difference between the two concepts, you'll be able to go forward and plan a lot more proactively. So just to give you a summary of that, profit is really the difference between your income and your expenses. It doesn't necessarily equate to the cash that you've got in your bank account because it doesn't factor in the movements that happen on your balance sheet. So something I encourage everyone to do, whether you're an aspiring business owner or already in business, is get into the habit of reviewing your financials regularly. And by reviewing financials, I don't necessarily mean look at the profit and loss only, but look at both profit and loss and balance sheet. Because a lot of what the profit and loss statement is not telling you is in the balance sheet, because the balance sheet is technically a statement of financial position.